Morning. We are at the center of Bandung in Indonesia. So this is the old city area of Bandung, no? The area where the former colonial master, the Dutch, were based. So this street, if you observe, they're in cobblestones. At night, this is teeming with lights, no? It's a red light district, no? I should say, kasi maraming bars, no? So let's just have a walk, no, along the streets of Bandung. They have this yung mga stones, no, placed on the sides of the road. Hanggang doon sa unahan yan, you can see yung mga stones. We're having a night stop over here in Bandung. We're having a taxi tour mamaya after lunchtime. So just a feel of the establishments here in Bandung. So dominantly Indonesian, but you have also a lot of mga Western resto. You have Japanese resto here. Ito yung mga side streets nila, no? Diba? Very reasonable yung mga car rentals nila here. Even the food is okay. Diba? Ito unique yung mga establishments nila. Mumu family, parang convenience store, but mostly mga women yung products ang mabili mo. They have also, ano to? Uy, may tour bus sila, oh. Meron pala, oh. Oh, tour bus nila. Very nice, oh. One way yung street. Now again, as I mentioned earlier, yung street na to, this used to be parang center ng city or yung area occupied by the mga Dutch. What is this? May mga antique shops sila. Natin. Para ding mga Pinoy, no? Except lang different culture, different religion. We belong to the same Malay race. Dito siya. Mga food nila dito here. Interesting, no? Natin. It's 9 o'clock here, 9 AM here in Bandung, Indonesia. So reaching here, we took yung bullet train from Jakarta. Less than an hour of travel. No? Social na rin yung Indonesia. The fastest bullet train in the ASEAN region. They have paintings here, local paintings, local art. Okay.